Welcome to a complete guide on comparison operations in JavaScript. In this video, we will explore the different ways you can compare values in JavaScript. We will cover equality versus strict equality, relational operators, type comparisons, and common edge cases along with best practices. Let's start by understanding the difference between equality and strict equality. The loose equality operator, denoted by double equals, performs type coercion before making a comparison. This means that JavaScript will try to convert the values to the same type before comparing them. For example, the string 5 double equals 5 returns true, 0 double equals false returns true, and null double equals undefined also returns true. Empty array double equals false is also true. However, type coercion can lead to unexpected results, and is generally not recommended for comparison operations. On the other hand, the strict equality operator, denoted by triple equals, compares both the value and the type without performing any type conversion. So string 5 triple equals 5 returns false, 0 triple equals false is false, null triple equals undefined is false, and empty array triple equals false is also false. The recommended approach is to always use strict equality, as it provides more predictable results and helps prevent bugs in your code. Now let's delve into relational operators in JavaScript. Relational operators are used to compare numeric values and determine their relationships. The less than and greater than operators compare if a value is less than or greater than another value. For example, 5 less than 10 returns true, 15 greater than 10 also returns true, and 5 greater than 5 is false. The less than or equal to and greater than or equal to operators check if a value is less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to another value. For example, 5 less than or equal to 5 returns true, and 10 greater than or equal to 5 also returns true. When comparing strings, JavaScript compares them based on the character codes, which means alphabetical order and case sensitivity will affect the comparison. For example, the string apple less than the string banana is true, and the string z less than the string a is also true. When comparing mixed types, JavaScript performs automatic type conversion. So, for example, the string 5 less than 10 returns true because string 5 is converted to the number 5. Similarly, string 10 greater than 5 is also true. Now let's understand type coercion and comparisons. When you compare a number with a string, JavaScript will convert the string to a number. For example, 1 double equals the string 1 is true because the string 1 is converted to the number 1. But 1 triple equals the string 1 is false because of strict type checking. Similarly, 123 double equals the string 123 is true. When comparing Boolean values with other types, Booleans are converted to numbers. True becomes 1 and false becomes 0. So, true double equals 1 is true, false double equals 0 is true, and true double equals the string 1 is also true. When comparing null and undefined, null double equals undefined is true, while null triple equals undefined is false. However, null double equals 0 is false. Let's explore some edge cases and comparisons involving not a number or nan. Nan is a special value representing an undefined or unrepresentable numerical value. It is important to note that nan is never equal to anything, including itself. Therefore, nan triple equals nan is false, nan double equals nan is also false, and number.nan triple equals nan is also false. To check if a value is nan, you can use the isNaN function. But note that it might return unexpected results when passed a non-numeric string, such as the string hello. For more accurate results, use number.isNaN. For example, number.isNaN with nan as argument returns true, and number.isNaN with string hello as argument returns false. Moving on to other edge cases, infinity is greater than any finite number. Infinity greater than 999,999,999 is true. Negative infinity is less than any finite negative number. Negative infinity less than negative 999,999,999 is true. Infinity triple equals infinity is true. 0 and negative 0 are considered equal when using the triple equals operator. However, 1 divided by 0 is not the same as 1 divided by -0. Object.is provides the most accurate comparison for these edge cases. Object.is with 0 and -0 returns false. Let's understand how object comparisons work in JavaScript. When comparing objects in JavaScript, they are compared by reference, not by their contents. This means that if two objects have the same properties, but are stored in different memory locations, they are not considered equal. For example, if you have two objects, obj1 and obj2, that both have the property name set to John, these are not considered equal. However, if obj3 is assigned to obj1, then comparing obj1 and obj3 returns true. Arrays are objects, so they follow the same reference comparison rules. Two arrays with the same elements are not considered equal if they are stored in different locations. For example, if you have two arrays, array 1 and array 2, that both contain the elements 1, 2, and 3, these are not considered equal. However, if array 3 is assigned to array 1, then comparing array 1 and array 3 returns true. For deep comparisons of complex objects, you can use the json.stringify method or the object.keys method. For example, stringifying and comparing two objects can help compare their contents rather than references. For more complex scenarios, consider using libraries like Lodash's is-equal method for reliable deep comparisons. Here are some best practices to follow when using comparisons in JavaScript. Always prefer strict equality over loose equality to avoid unexpected type coercion. When checking if a value is undefined, it is recommended to use the strict equality operator. Same with comparing if a value is 0. For special values such as not a number, null, and undefined, use appropriate methods such as numbered as nan, value triple equals null, and value triple equals undefined. To ensure code quality, always be explicit about type comparisons, maintain consistency throughout your code, and handle edge cases appropriately. By following these guidelines, you'll write cleaner, more predictable, and bug-free JavaScript. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.